The ATT extension identifies a web form post data file containing submitted form data from web-based forms and HTTP post operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you process, view, or troubleshoot these web form data files. I call this the last resort solution for those ATT files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. ATT files are web form submission data files containing post data from HTML forms. They store form field names and values submitted by users through web browsers and may include file upload attachments, text inputs, and multipart form data from web application interactions. ATT files may use various formats, including URL-encoded key-value pairs, multipart art form data with MIME boundaries, or plain text depending on the web server and application that captured the form submission data. They store the raw HTTP post body content. For ATT, the safest workflow is starting with web browser, generic. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows supports editing plain text without requiring specialized skill or software. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your ATT file and choose Open With. Test with web browser, generic, first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. When your ATT file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, viewing the data. Open the ATT file in any text editor to inspect the submitted form data. URL-encoded data appears as key value pairs separated by ampersands. Multipart data includes MIME boundary separators with individual form field sections containing names and values. Next, processing form data. Parse ATT form data programmatically using web development languages. In Python, use url-lib-parse for URL-encoded data. In PHP, use parser for multipart data. Use appropriate MIME parsing libraries to extract individual form fields and file attachments. Finally, security considerations. ATT files may contain sensitive user data, including passwords, personal information, and file uploads. Store ATT files securely with restricted access permissions. Delete processed ATT files promptly. Never expose raw form submission data in publicly accessible directories. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.